What up? Good morning, everybody. Excited to be with you today. Excited to get after it with you guys this morning. Just hopping on here. Let me get all the members of Freedom Team inside as well. How's everybody doing this morning? And no, it's technically at like in between 9 and 9:30 Eastern. The only reason I can't put it at like 9:15 or else I would. And so I'm kind of just stuck between 9 or 9:30. So I put it at 9 to make sure people are actually, on time. So yeah, excited to get after it with this. There is some news today, so want to be mindful of that. Going to market open this morning. Let me get my screen shared and kind of go from there. But yeah, sorry if you were waiting. Sorry if you're waiting, but let's take a look. All right, window Chrome. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, we got some news here. Powell speaking a little bit this morning, so I don't think it's anything too crazy. Just he's going to continue his testimony. He had a testimony to the Senate yesterday. Today's to the House, so I don't think it's going to be too crazy. There may be some chop, but we're gonna see what we can work with using TLM today. I am in an AXON swing. It was looking really good yesterday, and then fell off a little bit into close, but still looks fine. I have until August 16th expiration, so should be more than okay here. Would like to see us, if we come up and take a new high, I'll move my stop break even. I might move it up now. We'll see what I open at. We'll see what dollar amount I open at right now, percentage wise. Up about, where's the percentage? I guess I don't have percentages on here. I'm up about $200 on, and I just have one contract. So I don't know. There's a $700 contract cost, so 30%. Is that right? But yeah, let's look at day. So obviously, if you're new here, trade the triple line method primarily in the morning session here. So let's see if we can find any potential setups. Again, TLM is playing from line to line. We'll see what we can get. We want to avoid any type of trend day. Wow, Coinbase ended up rotating yesterday. Super annoying. I actually took this loss yesterday. Well, I might have not have rotated actually the full way. Yeah, okay, good. I didn't rotate the full way. Okay, never mind. Still annoying, but looks like we have a good setup there as well today. Pretty kind of wider spreads, but we'll see what we can do. MU, it actually came back to my original fill that I wanted, but it was so close to my target, I didn't end up taking it. I was looking for a swing here. Honestly, wouldn't have been bad. Kind of came back up, but it's all good there. I'm not going to take that anymore. Remove those drawings. Let's look at Apple. Apple's still gapping up. Apple's been on an absolute tear. Freaking on my newsletter. I was going to buy it right here. I sent out my newsletter Wednesday. So this is Tuesday, right? I was going to buy it right here. And Wednesday came and it was all the way up there. So I didn't get a chance to buy it because I do my weekly buys on Wednesdays. So yeah, unfortunate, but all good. Apple, I guess you could potentially short. Nvidia, nada, Tesla. Whoa. Oh, I thought we got we're open. We're just opened. Okay. Amazon looks good. I don't know where the lines are, but yeah, I'm still up about $200 on AXON. So we'll see what we do. Amazon looks really good. Really could go either way on Amazon, but I'm gonna lean more to the long side. So I want to see us come down, close the gap, hit demand, come back inside, rotate higher. But we have to do that. So We'll see. AXON must be ripping. Well, I'm up a lot on my. I'm up like $200 on the day. It must be just spreads. Is there anything else I'm missing? I don't think so. Okay. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let me know if there's anything you guys are looking at you want me to take a look at. I'll be happy to. ANF. Day or swing, brother? Yeah, Amazon got it on watch. Netflix, I don't really want to mess with. Spreads are chunky. ANF, are you thinking day trade or swing trade? Talal. Hey, also want to make sure you guys watching the live, okay, make sure. See this button right here that says live? Make sure you hit that button. Hit live right here so you're up to speed. Right? I don't want you lagging behind there. Think about taking longs here. Day trade, swing trade. What are you thinking? Okay, day trade. Let's look at it. Let me take a quick peek at everything. All right, we're still good. Okay. Okay. Personally, kind of feel like we're getting long at the top on a day trade. So let's look at it from a day trading perspective of how I trade this. So if I'm looking for like a day trade, I would have, okay, we have supply, we have demand from the gap up. We're stuck right in the middle. Okay. However, we go to a lower time frame here. This demand took out this high and took out this high. That would tell me, okay, it probably wants to go higher. Okay. Now, if I want to take this trade, I want to put my stop below this low. Okay. I want to look for an entry point. One of those is a 50% retracement. Is that what we teach? I then also want to look for a target. Okay. Boom. I think that's a good trade right there. I think that's a very good trade. You could also wait for a retest down into, demand down in here. Just look at a 5 minute, right at this 5 minute demand. You could also wait for a retest here. Then you get a better risk reward that way, but it's not promised. This pullback is probably promised, right? It's actually not promised, but it's probably going to happen, right? But yeah, that's my take on it. Seems promising. Amazon, did it pop out? Okay, Amazon popped out. I may have missed it. Dang it, Talal, you made me miss it. I'm just kidding. It's all good. I don't know if I would have taken that anyways. Oh wait, we need the 1 second chart. I don't have the right data subscription. No, you're good. Amazon's looking really good. So what I want to see is I could either wait for a pullback like this. That's probably what I want to wait for, personally. Or a little bit more risky, play that demand bounce there. I don't like that though. I don't like that stop there. I'd rather have my stop down here or see us low, high, lower low. Or sorry, let me read all that. See ya low, high, low, high, low, high, low, break. Take that. That's what I'd rather see personally. But I'm also fine taking, I'd be fine taking this right there. So let me actually just set that OCO up. So my stop would be, so that'd be entering at 199.65, stop below 199.27. That would be a 38-cent stop. So about 8 contracts. I don't know if I'll get filled, but 199.65. But we can at least try that. But I think that has some promise. Yeah, I think that. All right, John, I'll look at Netflix. Yeah. I hate when we have like that end of day sell off like that. Makes it really hard to, kind of find that area of balance. So even if we like took this high, right, we'd still kind of be in that downtrend. You know what I'm saying? So you probably want to see these guys break personally and then wait for a pullback. Let's look at Amazon first. I just want to get filled, brother. Looks solid. Okay, Meta. I think we already pulled back though, so I doubt it pulls back. Meta. Ooh, Meta kind of the same thing here. I don't like this stuff. Well, it is a gap fill. Honestly, Gavin, I like it a lot. I like it. Stop right there. Let's ride. $1.53. Maybe I'll get a better entry there. Let's run it. I got filled on Amazon too. Got filled about right there on Meta. See what happens here. Amazon, I'm filled. Amazon, I'm filled. I don't love that stop, but I think we're good. Yeah, I got stopped. I got filled on that wick. Here, puppy. Here, puppy. All right, let's see. Meta's kind of staying stagnant here. Amazon's looking okay. Meta's starting to rip. Okay, let's go. Let's go, baby. All right. Let me put my OCOs in. Amazon, that was like a freaking sniper entry. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Cole? Okay, first order is Meta. That makes me nervous there. We haven't really changed trend, but we did close gap, increase of volume. Looks like a reversal. We are accepting inside as well. So I'm gonna put my OCO in. Order rule mark at or above 533.15. Market at or below 529.5. All right. We'll let those ride. Let that OCO ride, and then Amazon with the OCO set there. If Meta loses, I'm never following Gavin again. Just kidding. Gavin out here giving alerts. No, it's a good setup in my opinion. At or above 200.2. And then market, we'll at or below. The reason I like Amazon is because that stop, man. That stop's really nice. All right. Okay, perfect. Yep. So looking good here. Meta, we'll keep an eye on. Amazon, Meta, both looking good. Amazon a little bit better, in my opinion, but. Whoa! Uh-oh. There goes Meta. Hey. Get out of the trash, dog. Get back inside, Meta. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Not giving me much hope. Yeah, it's gonna hit my stop. Meta done for. But that doesn't mean Meta's done completely though. So that's what we should have waited for. We come back up. Can play a pullback. Because that's probably what will happen. That's why I said I didn't like that stop. Get something like this. We will keep an eye on Meta there for that move specifically. So let's put an alert right up here. Let's put it back on the watch. Yeah, this one's gonna work out well. We'll see. Yep. Don't follow Gavin. Just kidding. No, Gavin's a great trader. That's a good setup. It's a little bit fighting trend though on that lower time frame, right? Because we do break the highs here, right? Signifying that we want to push higher. But with that, this is the low that does that, right? So this is where we want to put our stop. Again, guilty of it as well. But more than likely, this trade's going to work out, and we just had a bad stop because we should have waited for a better entry, right? So I almost want to put money on it to you guys that we're going to go up to here. I almost want to put money on it, but I'm not going to. But more than likely we will. More than likely we will, except unless that's like a stop on it. But that'd be the only thing. But if we take out this high, we will definitely go higher. Now we'll see what happens here. My honey bee, come get this pollen. Oh, what do I think about shop? Sorry, I got on my phone. Taking a brain break. Shop looks decent. Take out this high. 66.20 high. Take that out. It looks decent. Kind of boom, take it out, pull back. Well, or pull back before, take it out. That'd be ideal. Told you. It's going to come back up. This is peculiar. See what happens here. Have you seen all that stuff about Jeff Bezos selling? IWM starting to work? Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. I need to have a better stop on Tesla for long. Right off this like 5-minute demand or what? It's not really fresh. What was your reasoning there? 5-minute demand? Or what strategy are you trading? Well, let's see. What happens here? Nice. Scalping demand zones, I see. I love it. Paul, if we can reject this supply zone, I will take that. This was definitely not. That's where I had my entry, but I did not get filled there because my P&L is red. It should be. My entry is going to be like almost like right here. Yeah, Durham back to break even. Weird. Still 1-to-1, but my day's good, man. I woke up, had breakfast with the fam, took a shower, let the dog out, watered the lawn, came on the trade. It's good. What about you? How's your day going? Ooh, not quite 50. I'm such a bull. I have such a bull bias, bro. IWM coming down. I do like that. I wish it would have hit a little bit higher. Nah, not a good setup. I wish I would have hit higher, man. I don't really like it now. I just feel like more than likely we're going to. If you take it, I hope I'm wrong, but that's just what I'm feeling. All right, come on now. Come on. Is there not earnings this week, right? No, that's next week or the week after. Push it to the limit. Cause we're in it to win it, in it to win it. Oh yeah. Push it. Now it does. Okay, if you take this, Paul, I will not be upset at you. But when I just zoom out, all I see is change in trend, right? So it makes you think we want to push higher, but it doesn't mean we won't fill that gap. I just don't know. I'm indecisive here. I don't like it personally. I don't like it enough to put money on it. Doesn't mean it's not a good setup. Doesn't mean it won't work. Personally, it's not for me. My screen is shared. If it's not working for you, I would try to refresh. Because it is shared, and I can reshare it, but it is shared. Was it not working for anybody? It wasn't working for anybody? I have it right here on my screen. Like I'm watching the video on my screen. It says it's working. Did I look good? I'm just kidding. That's weird. Wonder why. You see how we're just not even getting inside? Sweet. Glad it's working now. This shows me buyers are here for sure. So now we just need to see buyers push us higher. It should be good though. Look at that. What did I freaking say? Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's frustrating. It's frustrating when you know it. It's just frustrating when you know it, man. So John, you're kind of getting your strong low pull back here. So on shop, if now we can push higher, you have a good stop here. So just something to watch. Hey, there's Tesla going. I'm gonna avoid that. It's pretty trendy. Coinbase might rotate. Meta's starting to push. Meta will probably end up rotating. Now, if Meta can go break that high and pull back, let's see if I get a good risk reward there. Yeah, I'll take that on Meta. Amazon's going. I think my P&L is gonna. I think my sizing's gonna be off. I think because of that fill. I think it didn't fill me where it should have. Like right now, I'm only up $60, but I have 8 contracts. Like I should be up about 100 there. So I don't know. Profit's gonna be like $200. It should be about $400, but that's all good. I really think Meta's gonna push now. Of course. And if you take IWM, go for it. I just don't like how we opened it like the up here, all the way up here. But go for it. Good chance that works. Tesla going up on a Tuesday. Nice, baby. Looks like you would have gotten filled. Yeah. No, Mike, I never entered MU yesterday. I pulled my OCO after we made that big move up. I pulled it. Let me pull it up. So it's probably working. If you're in it, freaking congrats. John, you jumped probably a little bit premature, but all good. Yeah, so I was planning to enter on this pullback here, target up to here, except we almost hit my target and then we pulled back, so I pulled it. So like I was gonna enter like if we pulled back there, so I just pulled it. Now it ended up being a fine setup. It's probably gonna work great. I just pulled it. Well, hey, that's good. That's good. Looks like it's working out for you. But yeah, I would probably target those equal highs there, 135.20. That's what I'd target. Personally, now that we know what happened. Meta again, don't want to enter prematurely here. I want to wait for us to actually change trend. Now we did take out this high. I believe that high is even going to be a strong high. So it's probably going to work for you, John. Truly, it's probably going to work just fine. Just want to be a little more mindful of that. I want to see price get higher because I've already lost on it once. I do want to see price get a little higher and then pull back for me. So looking good here. See if we can get another push up. Apple's going to be done. Let's clean this up a little bit. Dang, coin ended up going. Coin's weird, man. I don't like this how this choppy price action is. I honestly just want to remove it. I hate when candles have these weird gaps. Like if it doesn't move constantly, like if it's not moving, every second, I don't like it. It's just hard to trade for me. Same for like Boeing. So I'm honestly sorry if you guys like Coinbase. I'm just gonna remove this from the watch list entirely. Tired of looking at it. Want to see Meta push, pull back, we ride. End up being break even on the day if Amazon hits, so never a bad day when you're break even. And make sure for me today, guys, down below in the description, there is going to be a link to join my newsletter. Make sure you click on that and subscribe. Again, it's 100% free. You do have the ability to become a paid member if you'd like. You get a little bit more access to what I'm doing and why. But yeah, subscribe down below. Also, if you haven't yet, go ahead and like the video as well. I always ask, but go ahead and like the video. It's just going to boost everything for me. Thank you so much, whoever just liked that. But yeah, let's get to 45 likes. We got 45 viewers. Let's get 45 likes. Let's go. But no, I appreciate you guys hopping on. It's always fun hopping on with you guys, win or lose. There's Meta going. Thanks, baby. There's Meta going. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get another boost here. Yeah, so I'm not in this full transparency, not in that, but I just don't really like it. I just think it's kind of fighting the trend there. So Meta, if we break that, I'll set my OCO. Really, this was a strong high, so it could have counted. I was just being cautious of supply right here, and we did just absolutely rip through it. So, John, you're a wizard, but that's just what I was seeing. There's Meta. Okay. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and set the OCO for Meta. We'll try it again. Kind of right on that 1 minute demand there. So 630.5 I'll do. 630.5. If I stop down here, this would be $2 stop, $2.13 stop. No, it's really good play, John. Really freaking good. Okay. So $2, right? Maybe you have good judgment. What the heck did my mouse just do? I don't know if I'll get the pullback, but we'll see. $530.5. Leading for 3. That might be the low, but dang, that might have been the low. Rats. Well, you got to ban Tesla. Ban it. Yeah, personally, in Freedom Team, we do not really scalp 5-minute demand zones. We don't. You could also, you want to look to see, I mean, I don't know. I kind of like it though. We have like equal highs. I kind of like it though, but we are pretty overextended there. We look at higher time frame, supply and demand, and then look for confirmation on a lower time frame. So just something to remember. What's up, Lynn? Lynn made it. Yep, see? Please, please, please. Don't put my mind. Oh, yeah. AMD ripping. NVIDIA has been ripping too, so AMD's probably due. Really nice move here. What is that? 20%? My goodness. 20% since July 1st? That is insane. Wow. Could have taken this. This is what, if I would have seen, I would have taken like entry here, stop here, target there. We would have been close. 8% gain. That's nuts. Hard to play it here though at supply. Hard to get long at that higher time frame supply. Yeah, you don't chase it. You don't chase it. That's it. That's it. It doesn't pull back. You just don't chase it. That's it. You just don't chase, man. You miss a lot of trades, but you win a lot more. I think Meta is going to be an unfortunate miss by me. Meta made me lose, and then I didn't get the pullback. Freaking Meta. Come on, baby. But really, so you could have technically got in here. You could have. It's a little bit more risky, but you could have. I wanted to see this high taken out and a pullback. Now we still could get the pullback. I will probably pull. Personally, I will probably pull my OCO. Especially, yeah, I'm gonna pull it out. But that's what you could look for. John's gonna make a freaking bag out of boy. Saba watching it at 10:20-ish. Big volume kicked in yesterday, got short attacked. But that sounds more like investing. I wouldn't base your trade off that news personally. Just my own recommendation. Attaboy, John. John out here making a bag, baby. Yeah, my own personal recommendation, I wouldn't base a trade like that off of that news. I would base an investment off of news like that, but again, not a trade. That's just me. That's just how I do it. That's just how I go about it. But we can look at it. Yes, sir. Break even day is a good day. I'm telling you. Yeah, like what are you looking at? So like right, like yeah, awesome. They announced something awesome, or I'm hoping like their Alzheimer's treatment is all it says it is, right? Could be a game changer in the final trials. No, it hasn't been bought, right? Nothing has shown me it wants to go higher yet. We haven't even made a higher high yet, right? Again, if it's an investment, sure. You know, if you have faith in it, believe it. Like if you want to hold it for the next several years, go ahead, like buy it. But where we currently are trading at, there has been nothing to tell me anywhere that we want to go higher, right? We haven't made a higher high this whole time. So you want to see at least like these high, like you want to see like $30 get taken out. If $30 can get taken out, boom. Okay, now I can start to be like, okay. Now we're looking long, right? Now we're looking long. Now we have some potential. But again, that's for a trade, especially if you're doing options, because options you have to do. Not only do you have to be right on direction, you also have to be right on your timing, right? So it's important. If you bought some shares here, go for it, right? You can go for it. Just be mindful of everything else I talked about. Let's go, Rippy, baby. AXON. I don't know. I'll probably move my stop break even here. Honestly, I was gonna hold it to the end of the week, so now it's gonna be like, well, I might as well just close it up. Super unfortunate, but whatever. It's just how swing trading is sometimes. Yeah, and again, Lynn, that is just my That's just how I would trade it. If you have, confirmations that align for you, buy it, go get in, roll it. Really, really, please. I'm getting like sadness for missing that. Really good trade. In other news, all my trades are green right now on the old funded. I hit a banger on. Yeah, you're good. Keep holding it. Hold it to that target, man. Whatever your target is. 50, 53, 53.20. Top line. Hold it, man. I'll look at it here in a second. Boom, baby. Frick yeah, John. Frick yeah. Oh, I didn't get filled. Dang. Oh, no. I never pulled back. I don't know. The 8th would have been. Dang. Yeah, I was so close to getting filled. Freaking awesome, John. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's look at Snap for Lynn. So, get rid of this second. Is that all-time highs for it too? Oh, no. Yeah, so we kind of have some resistance form here. I would, if I were getting long on this, I would wait for break and then a pullback. Not necessarily a retest, but just a pullback. That's what I would look for. I'd also look for a strong low. And there isn't one yet, right here. Their strong low is here at $10. So it depends on what you're doing, right? If you're swinging investing, day trading. That's sick. Bro, was that in college or high school? That's sick. That's sick that they even offered like a trading. Yeah, that's really sick. Really sick. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it too. I'm gonna go ahead and call it as well. Again, good session today. Again, we're going to ride Amazon to target here. Again, took an L on Meta, but some people caught it and won. So awesome there. I was a little bit premature. It happens. MU swing, again, I'm not in it, but it's working really well for Michael Mack. Yeah, dude, that's sick. $75 gift card. And then also in the AXON swing, it's looking okay. It was looking really good. It's starting to pull back. I think we're around that 50% mark right now. So institutions could be stepping in here. We'll see kind of what happens. But no, I appreciate you guys hopping on. It's always a fun. It's always a pleasure speaking with you guys. Again, I will be live again next Wednesday. Again, be looking for a video coming out on Friday on my YouTube. I'll post it in the vault for you guys. But other than that, hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Good luck with your trading, and we'll talk soon. Peace.